In episode 5 of The Great Train Show, you may recall we met retired South Australian shunter John Mason. Listener William Adams, who describes himself as an under-20 rail fan, is a mate of John's and emailed this audio recording made by his friend. Williams tells us John recorded this loaded South Australian Railways ore train from Broken Hill to Port Pirie around 1964. In the details, he tells us that locomotives involved were a T-class 480 and a 400 class Garratt 482 plus 284, double-heading the ore train from Jamestown. And you can certainly distinguish the two locomotives as they lift up the 1 in 60 gradient, sadly bypassed with standardisation in 1970. It's a loaded train weighing around 1,000 tonnes of ore from Broken Hill. The leading T-class has a heavy bout of wheel slip, clear as a bill. Williams says narrow gauge steam clips from South Australia are hard to come by, especially of this quality. Amen to that. I recommend this to you. It's a long clip because I've been lectured about cutting these clips short and over-voicing in respect of these clips. So we're going to let you hear it in all its purity. Hang in there for one of the very best narrow gauge clips and examples of wheel slip. Well, that was an impressive and clear recording, and we thank John Mason and all that activity in the 1960s and the distinctive way the noise came through. I think even Dennis Ritson would eat his heart out to catch up on that one. And the Garratt, the mighty Garratt, and T-Class climbing that 1 in 60 gradient. I hope you enjoyed it.